If Snapchat's Add Friends feature is not working and keeps loading, start by checking your internet connection to make sure it's stable and fast. Switch between Wi Fi and mobile data to see if one works better. Sometimes a simple network reset by toggling airplane mode on and off can fix connection issues. Next, clear the Snapchat app cache by going to phone settings, then apps, app management, or manage app depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat in your apps list. Tap on it, tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. This can help remove any temporary glitches causing the loading problem. Also, check for any available Snapchat updates in the Play Store and install them because outdated versions may have bugs affecting features like adding friends. If that doesn't help, try logging out of Snapchat and then logging back in to refresh your account connection. Uninstalling and reinstalling the app can also fix deeper software issues. Sometimes Snapchat servers might be down or experiencing issues, so checking online for any service outage can save you time. Finally, if you are trying to add friends via username or snapcode, double check the details to make sure you are correct and that the person hasn't blocked you or deleted their account. If nothing works, reach out to Snapchat support for help. Remember to like and subscribe for more quick Snapchat fixes.